Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your NordVPN service, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your NordVPN service, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the NordVPN official website. Log into your NordVPN account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Find the Subscriptions tab on the left sidebar. Click on Manage Subscription to view your current plan. Look for the Cancel Subscription button at the bottom of the page. Click on the Cancel Subscription button to proceed. You may be prompted to provide a reason for cancellation. Select a reason from the drop-down menu or write your own. After providing a reason, confirm your choice to cancel. You should receive a confirmation message regarding your cancellation. Check your email for a confirmation from NordVPN. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided in the email. If you have any issues during this process, contact NordVPN's customer support. They can assist you with any questions you may have. Remember, you can continue to use the service until the end of your billing cycle. Review your subscription details to ensure everything is as expected. Keep a record of your cancellation for future reference. That's how you cancel your NordVPN service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.